everyone, welcome to Nikkie's Devine Dessert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be baking chocolate chip peanut butter walnut cookies. And I have a special guest with me today. Her name is Victoria, my daughter.
Hi guys!
Alright, so we have all our ingredients together. First we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to need a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Yes.
And half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to need 2 eggs. Okay. You're going to need butter. 1 cup of butter softened at room temperature. Of course, vanilla extract, whatever kind you like, whatever brand, it's your choice. You're going to need brown sugar. 2 cups of brown sugar. You could do the dark, you could do light, it doesn't matter, it's whatever you like. And this recipe also calls for granulated sugar, but we chose not to use it in this recipe. And then don't forget, you need your chocolate chip morsels, a cup of that, half a cup of peanut butter morsels, and a cup of walnuts.
Yes.
Alright, so my daughter is going to start preparing the dry ingredients. So put your flour into this bowl.
You're going to put 2 cups of flour.
You could pour it and make it easier for you, Mama.
I want to do it this way.
Here, I'll hold it and you scrape it out. Ooh!
Mama!
No, that's fine. That's fine. You got it all in one. Get it all out. Okay, perfect. So, kind of smooth those lumps out.
Yeah.
If you want it nice and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to add your teaspoon of baking soda.
Yes.
So this, you're going to have to make sure that it's spread evenly in the flour because you're going to get it all the way in.
Yeah, because baking soda needs...
Put it all in there.
Yeah.
Good job. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to do that.
Yeah.
You're going to mix it in good.
Okay.
Very good. And now we're going to add our half a teaspoon of salt.
Yes. Yay.
Mix that in good.
Great.
Mind you, if you have your butter with salt in the butter, you don't need to use salt. You just have the salt that comes in the butter, so you won't need to have salt added to the recipe. Okay.
So.
Silly butt. Alright, so now we're going to start with the mixing over here. We're going to put our butter in. Let's get this over here. You want to put the butter in? Don't worry, I'll wipe that later.
Alright.
Yeah. Put your butter in.
Wait, in here?
Yeah,
Okay.
scrape it in there.
Yeah, there we go.
Good job. Yeah. Let's get all the butter out.
Yeah.
Put that over here. Alright. We're going to, I'm going to let you mix this.
Yay.
Let's make sure. Alright. So we're going to start off on low speed because we don't want the butter flying everywhere. There you go. Good job. Now as you're mixing this butter, I'm going to add the sugar.
Oh.
Okay? So as you're mixing the butter, add the sugar in there. Stop it for a second, lovey.
Okay.
Alright, now let's just get the rest of this in there.
There we go.
This is what happens when you pack the sugar.
Alright, then we
crunch
put
it
it
up in.
okay.
Go ahead, you can start.
Alright.
Try to get all of that in there. Good job.
Everything is flying away. Is that small?
No, you're doing great.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Let me just get everything.
Put up one more piece because it's really hard.
Let me see.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, sorry, baby.
It's okay.
Alright, so we got the butter, the sugar, all mixed in good.
Yes.
Hold on, let me just scrape that in there.
Okay.
Hold that. Alright, now we're going to add our eggs, one at a time.
Oh, eggs.
1 egg. Okay, mix that in.
Okay. Wait, with this?
Yeah, let that, turn that on. Not too high, make it a little. Okay, there you go. Get that all mixed in there good. Get that dry area. You got sugar flying everything? I'll get it, don't worry.
Okay.
We'll get it after we're done. Yeah, let mommy help you.
Okay.
Don't pick that up. We'll get that later.
Alright.
Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Alright, so we're mixing this in here nice and soft. And then now we're going to add the other egg. Alright, so are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Definitely
Mix
ready.
that egg in there. Hold the bowl. There you go. And as you're doing that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Ooh, yummy.
Yummy.
Very good, lovey. Alright, so now, as you're doing that, I'm going to add the flour. Okay, stay in the bowl. Now, turn that down a little bit because what's going to happen, the flour will go flying on you.
Yeah, I know that's going to happen.
Let's add the flour first. Alright. We'll start off.
I put it on 2, okay?
Put it on, yeah. Oh, yeah, 1 or 2. Go ahead.
I'll put it on 2
And do it in the middle.
Okay.
Start off with,
Gotcha.
here, let me show you because I don't want, see how the flour is like flying all over? Alright. I'm just going to get the edges in there for you and then you're going to finish it. Alright, here you go, baby. I'm going to add flour. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, stay in the bowl. And then go. Alright, there you go. Ooh, that cookie looks good. That's alright. Mom's making a mess. Mama's making a mess.
This is so fun.
It's okay. Leave that. Don't worry. We'll clean it up. Don't do that at home. Nah, it's okay to do that. It's fun to make a mess when you're baking.
Yeah, true. Like if you watch a lot of cooking movies, they have that on there, like baking it.
Yeah, right? Yeah. There's flour everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get this cookie dough going. Wow. Alright. Let's add some more. Actually, let me get a cloth to wipe the mess. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, I got some over here.
I got it all over your hand, right?
Yeah, it's
That's
okay.
Alright, let's add the rest of this.
Okay.
And then we're going to get that all mixed in.
Wait.
Rest of the sugar, the flour,
Okay,
the
hopefully
butter,
this doesn't
the
get
eggs, the salt.
There you go. I'll hold the bowl for you.
Alright, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I'm going to turn this up a little bit more.
Yeah, it really needs it.
So basically, you kind of want to get this like a cookie dough texture.
Yeah.
Let me turn this down because I need to get over here.
It's starting to look like cookie dough.
Yeah.
Because as you keep on doing it, it looks like cookie dough. And then it's going to feel like
The more you mix
dough.
it.
Yeah.
Alright, I think this is good.
Yep.
Because I'm only going to scoop out. Alright, that's perfect.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Alright. Wait, you have a little flour right there. You see it?
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get it off the blade.
Yeah, I know too. You see, it's like all over.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a spatula to get the rest of this cookie dough off of these. See, honey? Scrape it into this bowl. As much as you can get off. I know you're going to want this cookie dough afterwards, right? No? Yes? Maybe? Tori, you don't want cookie dough? You don't want cookie dough?
Okay, I have some.
No, I'm only teasing.
No, I meant like to put on this.
Well, first we gotta scoop in our walnuts and chocolate. We don't want the white. We gotta mix this in really good because you don't want the flour showing. It's gotta be all mixed in good.
Yeah. Whoa! It was like flowing away.
This is gonna make a lot of cookies. I know you're gonna want this cookie dough afterwards, right? No? Yes? Maybe? Tori, you don't want cookie dough? You don't want cookie dough?
Okay, I have some.
No, I'm only teasing.
No, I meant like to put on this.
Well, first we gotta scoop in our walnuts and chocolate. We don't want the white. We gotta mix this in really good because you don't want the flour showing. It's gotta be all mixed in good.
Yeah. Whoa! It was like flowing away.
This is gonna make a lot of cookies.
Yeah, I know.
See, make sure that's rubbed in good.
Yeah, because you don't want to see the white. Like you see it like on the corner, it has like white. That's why if you have like cookie dough right here, you have to get it in because so the it doesn't show the white. Yeah,
that should be good.
Because it needs, yeah.
Alrighty.
What else can I see this?
What I want you to do, what do you want to try to... Alright, so this basically is what your cookie dough should look like after it's all mixed in. So, you want to make sure that you have it mixed in good. Oh, you got more?
Yep.
Yeah, use the spoon. And then, as I do the chocolate chip cookies, right here. Get that all in there.
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough. We don't need any more.
Alright, there you go.
Do you want to get Mommy another spoon so that we could
Yeah,
scoop
a
these
big
in?
spoon or like a regular spoon?
A little regular spoon.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got cookie dough everywhere. Alright, here we go. So get your spatula ready.
With
Look,
this?
look, look. Yes.
Okay.
And you're going to fold it in.
Okay.
So you know what folding is? You're going to take it and do that.
Okay, gotcha.
Fold it in like
Alright,
that.
I got that.
I'm going to sprinkle and you're going to fold.
Okay.
So we're putting in our peanut butter morsels, our chocolate chip morsels, and our walnuts.
Yes.
Fold those in, my love. No mixing. Kind of fold like this. Like that. See? There you go.
So.
Alright. You think we have enough?
Yes.
I don't want to use all of it. Well, we can use all of it. Fold those in, Mama.
Okay, so so.
Good job. Alright.
Okay.
So do you want to be the first to scoop out the cookie into the cookie sheet?
Definitely.
Alright.
Alright, so
I'm
ready.
I'm just going to fold this in a little
Alright,
bit
I
more.
have to dig it and do it.
Well, you're going to use the ice cream scooper. That way you can get your hands messy.
Well, yeah, true. I will. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You have it?
So this is the ice cream scooper, guys.
You can use the big one. You can use a small one. Whatever size
But we're
you
gonna
want your
use
cookies.
the small one. We have the big one. We're gonna use the small one instead.
Alright, so you take a scoop.
And then
Back.
you're gonna like hold this.
Yeah, you do it. Squeeze it onto the cookie sheet. Put it right on there.
Right there.
Yeah. Is it going out? Yes, you gotta press hard. Hold on, baby. I got you. See? Sometimes you gotta keep squeezing it for it to come out.
Okay. So I do the next one? Okay. So now I'm going.
Alright, so right now we're scooping out the cookies onto the cookie sheet, and we're gonna have the oven baking on 350. So we're gonna put the cookies in, and they should bake from 10 to 12 minutes. So we will be back and let you know how the cookies turned out.
And you also have to spread the cookies when you're doing it because you don't want them to stay together.
Yeah, so when you're putting your cookies on your cookie sheet, make sure you have them kind of spaced apart so that they don't stick together. You are having difficulty.
Yeah.
Let's use this to get it out. Wow, maybe you're supposed to get more cookie in there.
Are you willing to get the big one? I just have a feeling that the big one.
And if you have problems scooping it out, like we're having right now, you could also just use your hands and roll a little ball. Make little balls of cookies.
Mom,
That's
I
the
think
same
the big
thing.
one is easier. Look.
No, because we don't want the cookies that big, honey pie.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay.
Alright, there we go. So we will be back. Okay, now the cookies are done.
Yes.
This is the finishing result.
It looks so
These
nice
are our delicious chocolate chip peanut butter walnut cookies.
It's a nice texture to it and everything.
Okay, so we're going to take them off the cookie sheet and let them cool off. And let me show you how the bottom looks. It's supposed to be like a golden brown at the bottom. So they're not overly soft.
You saw my mom showed you that's how it's supposed to be. Yes.
So when they cool off, you get to enjoy these with a big glass of milk.
And I'm about to enjoy these with a glass of milk. And I probably will have some hot chocolate instead because I'm about to go watch some Christmas movies.
Alright, so
with some hot chocolate and cookies.
I would like to thank you for joining us today at Nikkie's Devine Desserts YouTube channel, baking chocolate chip peanut butter walnut cookies.
Okay, subscribe, like the video, and give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and hit that notification button. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.